Hello, I'm Abi1 and I'm glad you're here. In this class, we'll explore how to make motion look smoother. Imagine an animation with 4 balls hitting the same point in just 1 second. But here's the twist. Each ball moves differently. We'll learn how to adjust the smoothness of their motion. So, let's begin from the beginning, 0 seconds, and go up to 1 second. Ready? But the smoothness of their motion will be different from what you saw in the animation. First, we'll have common move, meaning we won't generate any toggle keyframes on top of the keyframes we generate. And then we'll have easy ease in, easy ease out, easy ease. How we generate these toggle keyframes? First, we animate their position. To select them together, first I select the bottom layer, hold Shift, and to select the top layer, so all these layers are selected together. To move a specific point on the tab, I use a roller. It helps me zoom in and out, and I can see my animation on the screen. There's also something called grid and guide options. When I click on it, I get different choices. For example, if I need to be precise, I can use the roller to reach exactly where I want. Here are different options like roller, grid, proportional grid. For now, I'm taking the roller. I adjust it at the top to a specific point. Now I generate the first keyframe of the position at 00 second. So it set the first keyframe for the position on all the selected layers simultaneously. Now let's move them to the top at 1 second. Then we change Y values for position. See, our keyframes have been generated. It is common sign for generated keyframes. So we have taken a separate layer for this purpose. On this layer, we will not take any new Keyframe Assistant. Now we consider our basic concept of this video. We leave the first common layer as it is. Choose the Easy Ease In layer and click on the keyframes in front of it. Right-click on one of them and you'll see Keyframe Assistant with options like Easy Ease In, and Easy Ease Out. These are useful animation options you've probably noticed before. Easy Ease is a very powerful option for any object motion. Now we understand Easy Ease In. On this layer we take Easy Ease In option. Let me zoom in and show you something like this. We see a sign like this. We select the Easy Ease In option, and after selecting it, our animation has changed dramatically. This variation in smoothness could really enhance our animation. This is our yellow ball moving in a very interesting way. Now we take the next option, which is Easy Ease Out. To take this, we select all the keyframes in front of the layer that we have generated keyframes and right-click on one of them. Go to the Keyframe Assistant and select one of the options in front of it, Easy Ease Out. When we select it, we see a sign like this, and this is another interesting change for us. Now to understand Easy Ease, we select this layer and select all the keyframes in front of it, which we have generated by right-clicking on them. F9 is the shortcut to select the Easy Ease options in front of the Keyframe Assistant. Remember, it creates a lot of smoothness in our animations and is the most used Keyframe Assistant. Let's reduce the time frame a bit. This animation looks a bit boring. Let's make it shorter, faster, and it will look a bit more interesting. It has become much faster. If you delay a little, now it looks better. This was our class on Keyframe Assistant. I hope you are learning fast the Adobe After Effects with this course. Subscribe the channel to learn Adobe After Effects from basic to advanced. See you in next video.